You want to learn crossovers? Well, it's really easy when you follow few key steps. Actually 5 of them. Let's go. Firstly, do not do this. Don't just step with the front leg across to the other side. It looks a little bit silly and it is dangerous. It actually slows you down and does nothing good for you. First thing to do is to stay low. Like most skills in rollerblading are better done when staying low. Second step, try rolling low with one foot fully in front of the other. Third step, push only the back leg and try to get some speed with only that move. Fourth step, push again with the back leg, but just before you push, a split second before, raise your front leg up, and after the push from the back leg, put the front leg down. Now, fifth step and the last step. Do the same movement as before, but now push with the front leg as well, a split second before your back leg hits the ground. Voila! Now you are doing the crossovers. Congratulations! Like always, I have some tips for you also. When doing the crossovers, try falling to the side. Keep your body slightly tilted towards the inside of the turn. Because falling is one of the key components. It's like the moon is falling towards the earth always. It's called controlled falling. So you can imitate the right body position when performing this exercise on a little grass hill. This is the safest and the best exercise to do when learning the crossovers. Try this and let me know if it helped you. When you're getting good at it, you can always try the other side, which is the weaker side for you. Doing the crossovers will give you more speed when going through the corners. You can increase your speed. That's amazing. Anyway, if it helped you, comment below and keep rolling.